What's good, YouTube? Sneako Trades. Back. Yeah, so new series. I blew my funded accounts that I had this month, and yeah, since I want to be sorry and blow accounts, here we are. Um, Basically, until I get my act together, this is what I will be doing. Yep, this is what I'll be doing every day until I get my act together. Cause I don't know why I'm blowing accounts when I don't know why I'm blowing accounts. But let's review today's paper trade, right? Fucking paper, bro. Okay. Anyway, let's see. Let me delete this real quick. Oh yeah, I mean, it's not really a new strat, but I've been looking at some things um to incorporate into my trading. So today, as we can see, oh, this was during New York. During New York, we were pumping, right? And then we had this massive sell-off. So in the morning, I woke up and my sorry ass caught a short, right? It was right here. That was the trade I took. Did I move my stop loss? I think I moved it. I wanted to see a bigger dump, so I think it was 2712072. What the fuck? 20712 right there. That is what I did. All right, this is what I did. And then again, I took another short up here. Bro, this nigga Romy thinks I'm playing, bro. I'm not playing about this shit. Hey, this is what I'm gonna do every day. Every day, I want to be sorry, so I'm gonna do. Anyway, basically, recap the trades I took. I took one short here, another short up here. I wanted to hold this bitch, bro. But as we can see, I missed papers. I didn't really give a fuck, bro. But damn, if I had a fun, this would have been what, like 3 bands? But yeah, I want to be sorry. So we're gonna be here every day. And I be trying a new little strat, the ICT fib. I draw it for the manipulation leg. If you take like a low out or just the start of basically um the fuck, bro, I don't even know. Basically, I draw a manipulation leg. I don't know how to explain that shit, so that's just gonna. I did that. I can do with that. I don't know how to explain it, but let me draw this out. You can see here. This is a value area high for New York session. So here, since we dumped this hard, I knew we were going to. I wanted to see us get bought back up because if we go to last night, we've been buying, getting bought back up from these lows right here, right? Right here, we dumped. I think that was news. Again, we dumped, we got bought up. We dumped, we got bought up. So we just been getting bought up, and since this is a leg, I believe that we were going to go upward, right? So I mean, this is not really my strat, but this is my strat. But I've been trying to incorporate like new things to make it foolproof, so I have more confidence when I take a trade. But that is not right, right? All right. So this box, we respected the 75%, right? Because like right here, we can't really use volume profile because I don't know what I'm looking at if the volume profile really hasn't developed, right? So I use this as a, do we respect it to the upside or do we respect it to the downside? As we can see here, I saw, okay, we pumped up from market open. So I'm like, okay, okay. Okay, we went up, we rejected, went up, we rejected, but we never came any lower than this. So I'm like, okay, let me take a long from, I think my entry is supposed to be right here, but yeah, my entry was something like that. Basically, the trade was longs, right? I decided I want to long this right here. I'm along this right here. All right. Because I knew, I mean, I'm not going to say like I knew perfectly, but like, I'm just like, we have to pump. I mean, this coincidentally aligned with this -1. So that is also good, but I didn't really see that. All I saw was, okay, I'm going to look for longs, right? So I got in right here at, I mean, I could have waited, could have gotten at the point of control, right? But when I got in, this is how the profile looked. But as we can see, we're respecting this area right here. So I'm like, okay, I like this trade, right? Because we're respecting the area. So eventually we pump up, right? And we hit this -2 to -2.5. This is an area where a reversal could happen. So I'm like, I'm gonna take my TP there. And that's really the way I want to trade, right? Moving forward, the way I want to trade is take 1K loss, 3K TP, or I let it run, right? Like here, this could be another reversal point, but I didn't want to hold this because again, it's paper and it's already sorry as it is. But I'm gonna make this video every day until I'm no longer sorry, so and I don't blow fund accounts. But yeah, this was a trade I took on paper. But what I want to do is, oh yeah, break even was at this value area high right here. Let me mark that out. Right here was the break even, right? I mean, this would have been TP1 if I was using 3 minis, but I'm only using 2 minis, so this would just break even, right? I might just put break even. So the way I want to be trading now is 1K loss, and I let it run, right? Break even for this trade was, holy shit, mouse. Break even was, I think, right here, actually, yeah. The break even was like right here. That was break even for me. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna do every day until a little longer. Actually, shorts are looking beautiful here. I'm not gonna lie. Shorts are looking beautiful. Oh. Well, yeah. Since I'm gonna be sorry, that's what I'll be doing. But I mean, I'm not gonna take that trade. It's one and done. But um, the rules I set for myself are. Can I not connect my iPad upstairs? Hold on. Give me a second here. I want to see if I can. What am I doing, bro? What the fuck did I trade? Oh my god, you're lying. I gotta switch tabs. Alright, you can see this. Alright, so basically what I want to do starting now is hold myself accountable, right? What I want to do is take what I want to do is take bro, bro, struggling, bro. Hold. Okay, what I want to do is take 2 to 3 trades a day, right? Basically, the plan is take two. Okay, I guess I can't tilt the fucking pen. Makes no fucking sense, but okay. Oh my god, bro. Basically, I want to take 2 to 3 trades a day, right? 2 to 3 trades a day. And the way the trade should be looking like is like this, right? I have the trade I want to see at my stop loss. My stop loss should always be minus 1K, right? No matter if I use 2 or 3 minis, right? My stop loss should always be 1K. And my TP is, I should be trading 1 to 3s, right? My TP should be 3K. As you can see today, I've hit 3K like two times, 2 times today trading paper. Like this whole week, I've hit so many trades, but I don't have it funded because I want to blow the account. So and I should have it break even at either uh let's say we create a high before and I want us to break that high like that. That's what I want us that's what my BE should be, right? Or if we create like a low. Or if we create a low like that, I want my break even to be at the break of that the low. If we create a lower low, a lower high, I want my break even to be the top of the lower high if I'm looking for longs, right? And let's say I'm in a short, right? It should look something like this, minus 1K. And then right here, my TP should be 3K. And then if I'm a short, long, my break even should be right here at the break of that low, right? That's the way it should be. Cause I'm tired of whatever the fuck I'm doing, bro. I seen some nigga drive my fucking Corvette. A nigga was my age too, bro. I'm done with this shit. I'm done blowing accounts, bro. But yeah, that's the way it should be. And um, not gonna lie, I think Top Step's gonna move me into their focus program because I've been blowing so many accounts since my 25K payout. It's like it's gotten bad, bro. But hopefully, I'm able to redeem myself with this next set of accounts. But because I know I can trade, just the discipline that's like holding me back, right? So, um, another thing I want to do is, I mean, I still journal I don't really journal my trade after I blew the funded because there's really no point of journaling paper accounts. But another thing I want to do is when I get back on the evals, I should every trade I take should again for the trades that I take, I want to be documenting that shit, right? Or trade I take, I want to be documenting the trades I take, right? I don't want something I don't want no dumb shit to happen where I don't have my trade. I'm not able to document it. And I look back, I'm like, well, that was a terrible trade considering all the confluences that I have, right? So that's something I need to look out for. Another thing I want to do is the confluences for my trades, right? The confluences for my trade should my fucking Apple Pen just went out, bro. What the fuck? This shit gotta be a scam, bro. I don't know why I can't draw my pen on it. The fuck? Yeah, I can't draw my pen, bro. Yo, I've just been getting cooked in all aspects of life, bro. Holy shit. Let me restart the draw. But yeah, so um the A plus setup for me should be with my confluences, right? It should be with um let me just check that shit out, bro. My fucking iPad. I don't want to work, bro. Now that shit wants to work. But A plus setups for me should be right. I use the EMA. Are we above or below? Right? Are we above EMAs or are we below EMAs? Should be a major. What the fuck? Um, hold up. What the fuck? All right. I'm back. Anyway, my conflict should be: are we at the EMAs, right? Are we above, looking for longs, or are we below, looking for shorts, right? It should be one of those. There should be there should not be any other entry than that. And with the volume profile, value area low, are we looking for value area low? We should always be looking for longs, right? And the value area high, we should always be looking for shorts. Is the way it should be, right? There shouldn't be any other thing except for those two, unless we're looking at a situation where price is down something like this. This the volume profile right here, right? Point of control, value low, and then price is going like this. That's the only reason I should looking for shorts. But if I was going to do that, I might as well enter at this value high, right? There was no reason for me to enter at the value low, unless I got on the charts late. But confluences were above EMAs. For value low, we're longing. Value high, we're shorting. And MACD, the MACD should either be above for longs or below for shorts, right? This is what we're looking for the MACD as the extra confluence. It should be the are we longing or are we shorting? Because I don't know what I'm doing if I'm longing where the MACD line isn't fully crossed below. I mean, if I'm shorting where the MACD line isn't fully crossed below, like that just makes no sense. It should never sound right, right? So yeah. Another thing I'm starting to use is the fib more. Since volume profile is not really always you have entry, but with the fib, if the I should be using the 2 to 2.5 for possible reversals, or the 4 to 4.5. This should be possible reversals slash TPs. right? That's what it should be. Possible reversal slash TP is what it should be for me. And the 4.5, same thing. TP or reversal, what it should be, right? I shouldn't take any other trade that except if it's TP or reversal. Another thing is to make sure I'm trading with the trend, right? There should be no reason I'm not trading with the trend, right? Unless like today, I took a short because we reached that short level, but mostly I should be trading with the trend. There shouldn't be any dilly-dallying about that, right? What else do I want to say about my trading? No FOMO, bro. Like a major part is no fucking FOMO, bro. Like this is major, bro. Like, there's always going to be opportunity on the market. There should be no reason for me to FOMO. If I'm FOMOing, I should be walking away, right? Taking a break, doing anything but entering trades where my strategy isn't presenting itself. Because as traders, we're gambling, right? But um, we have to gamble in a way that makes sense for us to be profitable, not just giving out propfirms our money for no reason, right? Because that makes no fucking sense. But another thing I should be doing is FOMO on trade, not hesitating on trades, right? Wait, hold, bro. Anyway, another thing is I should not be hesitating on trades, right? Holy shit, tripping. I should not be hesitating on trades, right? Right? If an opportunity presents itself, I should get in right there instead of getting in right here where the market reversals, right? Because here my I'm secured, right? There should be no reason for me to see a trade opportunity like I did today, like this, like this, like this. Oh my God, it's a short, right? I get in right here. You can see price came back, but we didn't really reach my entry because I got in at a great price, right? I got a great entry. I got in at a great price. There should be no reason for me to enter. I see this trade like this. There's so many times I've seen a trade like this. I'm like, do I want to enter? I don't enter, right? I don't enter right there. Then I enter right here. And then price does this. And my account's blown because I don't have enough drawdown for that, right? I shouldn't be doing that. There's no reason for me to doing that. There's an opportunity that presents itself. I should be taking that, right? There should be no stupid trades that I should be taking. But as you can see, I'm here right now. So that means I'm not doing something right. And there's a lot of trades I'm taking that are not supposed to be taken. But here I am. So, um, yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. I'll be making these videos until I stop bullshitting, right? Like here, a short. Look, if I got it right here, I would have been on my entry, right? Where's the short? I think I wanted the short. Was it right here? I can't remember. I think they short like right here or something. Normally, I would have gotten it right there. And look at that. If, if I would have caught it myself. Oh my God, my account's almost blown. Why the fuck is that? Because I'm entering way too late. I should be entering straight on time. I see a sub and I take it like that. Which I think was like was it a little lower? I don't know. All I know is the Puerto thing. If I would taken the correct entry, I would have had another drawdown to let the trade play out. Like right here, this was a beautiful entry. I saw the setup, I took it, and I accepted the risk. How much was this risk actually? This should be a band. It's not really a band, but that's damn near a band, right? This is the trade I want to be seeing. Right here is another trade I took. You can see how I said if I see the step, I take it. Like right there. Oh my God. Wait, 99? Where's 99? I think I got it like, is it right here? Where's 99? I got it for 1,500. Okay. Boom. There's a trade right there. It should have been my TP. I think, oh, yeah, I want to see the dump, but I got trailed out right there. Okay, that works. I can always re-enter. I'm up 1.4K. That's 1.4K profit I can play with. Again, right here is another one. I wanted to see us continue lower. Instead, I just took the loss right there. Not the loss, but I got stopped on profit. I'm totally okay with that. Instead of just chasing the markets. Because if I got in right here, oh my God, the retrace would have fucked me. So, yeah, I just gotta stick with my rules and just grind it out, bruh. Because if I don't want to stick to my rules, holy shit, I might be on the screen. I can see. I don't think I can see the screen. I'm gonna have to wait for OBS to. I'm gonna have to just reset, say what I just said. But yeah, let me see. All right. Um, right here, right? I took the trade, right? Look at that. I took the trade. I got out at 99. I wanted to see continuous break, but no. Actually, I didn't even have to get out. I could just left the trade because like this is like I was talking about, right? Since I got in up here, I don't really have to worry about that. But I got out like at 99. That's 1.4K profit I could play with right there. So okay, I want to hold it for it to dump down and take out all these lows, right? And then again, this morning I wanted to see the same thing, but I got in when I seen okay, looks like we want to dump, right? So I took the trade for it to dump. Well, I want to see it go longer, but I mean, I want to see it go shorter, but we didn't get that continuation I was looking for. So I just accept the stop and profit. Again, I look for another opportunity right here. Oh my God, what's happening? We're shorting, right? So I take the trade. Opportunity presents itself. I think that's like 3K right there, right? Oh my God, I'm up 3K. I can play with like 1 or 2K profit right here. I can right here. If I wanted to, it should be the trade, but no, I don't have it funded, so I can't take that trade. But yeah, um, right here, instead of being mad that I take a loss, I take okay, I'm down 1K. I made 3K this morning. I have two more chances, not two more chances. I have like one more chance, secure the winning day, and go on with the day. Because during Asia, I was able to secure 3K. So, um, yeah, it's more of I need to stay disciplined, stay grounded, take my trades. If it doesn't present itself, accept the loss and just walk away. Because like Tottenham is changing their rules now too with payout caps. So that doesn't help anyone. But again, we're at the stage where I'm able to trade. I know I'm able to trade, but I don't know what the fuck I'm doing sometimes. So I'm gonna make this sorry video until I fix my issue and look back at it. But yeah, thank y'all for watching and see y'all again.